Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Hans, and today we have something special that came in the mail today. I've been waiting for this for a long time. I had it before, but it broke. Today's gonna be an unboxing video, so make sure to enjoy it. And yeah, things right behind me. There it is. It's an IScooter. I have a new electric scooter, everybody. And today I'm gonna be unboxing it, and yeah, let's see what's inside it. So yeah, make sure that sub button, and let's get started with the video. Washroom break it.
ISS, this is Mission Control.
Mind you, I just woke up. I thought it was going to be coming this Thursday, like this July 9th. I thought we were going to be coming then. This is an iX3, by the way, if I have ever said it. And it's supposed to go like 40 kilometers an hour, which is really fast. Okay, box is open, everybody. Let's open this bad boy up. And oh my days, I see it. Okay, hold on. All right, we have this bad boy. We have this bad boy. Let's put that away. And we have the we have this. Oh wait, no, this is the scooter. Never mind. This is the handlebar. We have to just assemble this later on. And I also have a bag right here, which is cool. I didn't know if it came with this or not, but let me give you guys a better view so you can see what I'm seeing. All right, so this is what's inside here. Let's go with the components. All right, right here we have the bag. I don't know what kind of bag this is, but it's a bag. All right, we have the actual scooter itself in here. And yeah, let's take the scooter out first. Okay, so really careful. Oh my, this is heavy. What? Oh my, whew. Okay, I gotta use my brain with this. Okay, hold on. Let me just like stuff the wires. Oh my days, this is so heavy. Yo, this is so big too. Y'all seen this? Oh my days, this is so big. Okay guys, this is the scooter. It's really big, like compared to me. So compared to me, it's like up to here, which is pretty big. Before we start anything, let's just get everything out. We also have this, which is, I don't know what this is, but it's something, I think it's like a rear light. I think it's like a tail light. Okay, so I'm guessing the charger's in here, so let's open this bad boy up. Okay, so this is the case. This is what it looks like, and let's open this up. Maybe hit that sub button if you haven't already. And yeah, 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, no, that didn't even count. There's a form here. It says this. This, I believe, is the charger for everything. Yeah, it is. So we have the block charger right here. All right, so we have the actual block that charges the scooter, and we have the plug that goes in the outlet. That makes sense. Okay. I feel some screws and everything for the handlebar. I'm pretty sure. Let's go with that. Let's go do that. Come on, follow me. So it's right here, and let's open this bad boy. Oh, it's a zip. That's so sick. It's a zip. Okay, cool. Comes with these and these. All right, cool. So there's extras, I'm pretty sure. All right, everybody. Hi, Whiskey. So this is the iScooter IX3. Okay, so this is the scooter itself. So yeah, this is the iScooter. We have a kickstand for this, and you know, this thing's actually really big. It's actually pretty big. And yeah, okay, so let's start with the basics. So this scooter is an electric scooter. It's an electric scooter, and it also has suspension right here. So it's not bumpy as much. We have a display screen right here, which I can just take the covering off in a little bit. And we have the modes right here. So we have a horn. We have medium, different modes probably, power button, and lights. So the lights are right here. This is the light. This is the big light for if you're riding in the dark. We also have a rear light. I'm pretty sure I can attach it right now. It's in that. And yeah, so this is what it looks like on the side. It's pretty cool. We have Whiskey right there. So this is the either front brake. So this is the rear brake. This is the front brake, I'm guessing. Okay, so the most important part of this is obviously how it moves, which is the throttle. So this is the throttle right here. And I have to be very careful because if I go all the way down, it can go very fast, like 45 kilometers an hour. But yeah, and it can also fold. I have to show you guys. So if I be careful enough, it can, if I pull this or something, I haven't really folded it yet. Other than the start, yeah. So if I do that, and if I just slowly do something, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, if I slowly let it down. Oh yeah, so I can get this thing, I'm pretty sure. I can get this thing, and I send it right through here. And then as soon as I send it through here, I push it back, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, it locks. So then you can also carry this up. It's heavy, but yeah, you can carry this up too. And I'm figuring this out on the spot with you guys. Okay, but yeah, this is the scooter. It's on charge right now. This is the charging. And yeah, what I would rate this right now by looks, like a 9 out of 10. This looks pretty good. Yeah, let's like uncover this for a sec. Damn. All right, that's sick. Throw that away. And yeah, so I'll come back when it's charged and we'll see how it performs while I ride. Okay, let's try this bad boy out. Woo! I haven't rode one of these in a while. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Alright, that's actually sick. Wait, what? Let me ride it back now. Wait, that's actually sick. Hold on, that's sick. Alright, let me go one more ride. 3, 2, 1. And I'm right here. Alright, that's actually sick. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. And I definitely rate the performance of the actual thing a really good rating. I'm not gonna ride outside right now because I don't want to get hurt like while holding the camera and everything. I'm definitely gonna go do that, but not right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Make sure to hit that sub button if you haven't already. Like button too. And my name is ItzTanz, signing off. Alright, have a good day everybody. Bye. Alright, I forgot my mic at home, but I'm here in the park or around the park, and I just want to let you guys know that there's an app you can connect this thing to. It's called MiniBot. It's the logo looks like right here. It'll be in the link in my description, the actual like website or the app. You can connect the scooter to the app and you can lock it. It's Bluetooth connected. You see the Bluetooth sign right there. You can lock it, track your speed, turn the flashlight on, for example, and more other stuff with the actual app. I forgot to also tell you that there's those little indicators right here. So if you want to turn left, this flashes, and if you want to turn right, this part flashes, and it also shows on the screen here. So that's right and that's left. I also forgot to mention, because I never went top speed on this, I never knew how to, but apparently if you click this button twice fast, you go into the second mode, and this mode goes like way faster. It goes way faster. It's crazy. So on sport with the second mode on, your high speed is 60 kilometers an hour. I also forgot to mention that if you click the power button once like that, these blue lights right here, when it's nighttime, they light up. You can also see how far you also rode this thing for. For me, I already rode it for 44 miles in total. And this is me right now. I'm going to a friend's house right now, but yeah, my hair is really messy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I definitely recommend buying this. This is such a good product. And yeah, make sure that sub button. We're almost 2,000 subscribers. So yeah, and I will see you all next time. All right, see you everybody. Bye.